Welcome to Unique Storm LLC. It's the inside of the Flex. Ambiance lighting. Let me move my foot. There you go on the bottom. In the back, we got one sunroof. Hold on. Gonna have to turn around and get out. Hold on. Two, I guess you call them like moon roofs, and one in the back. The interior is fly. Got an extra row in the back too that folds down and stowaways. Comes with ambiance lighting. What do you call it? All-wheel drive. Let me turn this girl off. All-wheel drive, 3.5 liter show engine in her. All blacked out edition. Oh, wrong car. Dope. All blacked out edition. All-wheel drive. The girl's fast, I ain't gonna lie to you. Look like we carrying bodies in here or something. You know what I mean? But I took care of the tail lights. That's blacked out in the back as well. You know what I mean? Sorry about the camera movement. As you can see, murder. So yo, thank you for subscribing to Unique Storm LLC. Tsunami.